রাজশাহী বিশ্ববিদ্যালয় ভর্তি পরীক্ষা 23-24 ইউনিট এ ইংলিশ এমসিকিউ। সর্বপ্রথম রিড দ্য ফলোয়িং এক্সট্রাক্ট অ্যান্ড অ্যান্সার কোয়েশ্চেন্স 29 থেকে 36। তো উদ্দীপকটা ছিল এরকম: adults and children are frequently confronted with statements about the alarming rate of loss of tropical rainforests. For example, one graphic illustration to which children might readily relate is the estimate that rainforests are being destroyed at a rate equivalent to 1,000 football fields every 40 minutes. About the duration of a normal classroom period. In the face of the frequent and often vivid media coverage, it is likely that children will have formed ideas about rainforests, what and where they are, why they are important, what endangers them, independent of any formal tuition. It is also possible that some of these ideas will be mistaken. তো প্রথম প্রশ্নটি হচ্ছে, which of the following contains true information about the extract? সঠিক উত্তরটি হবে, children would form opinions on rainforests based on information given by media. পরবর্তী প্রশ্ন, which sentence uses the word rate correctly? Rate correctly, the rate of destruction of rainforests is alarming. 31 নম্বর প্রশ্ন, which of the following is the most suitable title for the extract? Answer, the extent to which children have been misled by the media. Question number 32, which of the following uses the noun form of conform properly? সঠিক অ্যান্সারটি হবে, the logic of events will lead them to a confrontation with the enemy. Next question, which one is the correct noun form of equivalent? Right answerটি হবে equivalence. 34 নম্বর প্রশ্ন, which one is the acceptable translation of it is also possible that some of these ideas will be mistaken? Right answerটি হবে, এটাও সম্ভব যে এই ধারণাগুলোর মধ্যে কিছু কিছু ভুল হবে। The next question, which one is the acceptable noun phrase? Right answer is graphic presentation. Next question, which one contains the correct use of tropical? Right answer is the tropical of Cancer is in the northern hemisphere. 37 nong question, being ardent means being intense. পরবর্তী প্রশ্ন 38 নম্বর, he had many acquaintances but few really close friends. This is an example of compound sentence. পরবর্তী প্রশ্ন 39 নম্বর, what part of speech is massive? In the phrase massive diasporas, এক্ষেত্রে ম্যাসিভটা হবে অ্যাডজেক্টিভ। 40 নম্বর প্রশ্ন, the tickets are 20 টাকা each. Here each functions as a pronoun. each এটা একটি pronoun। 41 নম্বর প্রশ্ন, juvenile implies inexperienced. Right answer is inexperienced. A person who is 100 years old or older than that is a centenarian. 43 নম্বর প্রশ্ন, being fastidious is associated with perfection. Which word is correctly spelled? সঠিক উত্তরটি হবে quotidian. 45 নম্বর প্রশ্ন, which one is the correct tag question? Right answer is you speak Bangla, don't you? 46 নম্বর প্রশ্ন, what is the meaning of on the horizon? সঠিক উত্তর হবে লাইকলি টু হ্যাপেন সুন। পরবর্তীতে 47 নম্বর প্রশ্ন, ফাইন্ড আউট দ্য ইনকারেক্ট সেন্টেন্স। সঠিক উত্তরটি হবে সি নাম্বার, অর্থাৎ ভোটিং উইল টেক প্লেস ইন মে 1। Which one is the synonym of fictitious? Right answer is fabricated. What kind of man is quite the opposite type of affable? এটা হবে mannered. She talks as if she were the leader of her community. পরবর্তীতে 51 number question, shipmates of the ancient mariner dash the dead albatross around his neck. এক্ষেত্রে ড্যাশে বসবে হাং। To read between the lines means to read carefully to find out any hidden meaning. 53 number question, the synonym for efface is wipe out. I cannot part dash my books. I cannot part with my books. A pilgrim is a person who undertakes a journey to dash to a holy place. সর্বশেষ প্রশ্ন, pivotal question refers to the most important issue.